We're going to review the room, the hotel that I live or transit in Qatar by Qatar Airways. The name of the hotel is Treffen House. Here, looks like this wardrobe here, closet. Look, this is the fridge. It's nothing. They didn't put any snack or drink. There's no bathroom. Oh, here is water, coffee and tea, maybe. Yeah, it's tea. There is Sajadah and Quran here. Al-Quran Al-Kareem. Brankas. This is the locker for the important stuff. Pillow. Okay. And where is the where's the light for the room? There's no light. I think, yeah, it's only that light and this light. I guess so. Yeah, this one is like that. Okay, this is the room, the Treffen House from Qatar Airways. I choose this hotel because pretty close to the center, Souq Waqif, which is a market. There is another closet here. There's nothing. TV, trash bin, mirror. There's nothing else. And there is a window here. You can see from here Doha at night. Yeah, it's like this one is pretty cool. Okay, now we're going to the bathroom. Let's check what they have. Now we have a bathtub, but I'm looking for a sandal. They didn't provide it. Sandal. There's towel, sabun, soap and shampoo. Wash towel. There is a bathtub here. It's good, which is good. Hair dryer they have. This one, tissue. Yeah, but I'm looking for sandal. They didn't have. What's this thing? I don't know. I think it's something else. I think that's all. That's all for the review. It's the bathroom. Okay, I think it's fair enough for the price. At booking.com, 300, 400 Riyal, Qatar, I guess, for this room. when I check it. So I think that's all from my review. I just arrived, want to take rest on the breakfast maybe. Okay, that's all guys. Papa.